Hi sports fans, good afternoon. Always wanted to start a video saying that. But no, seriously, right, so because South Lincolnshire has actually blessed us with some nice weather for the first time this year, properly anyway, it is a stunning day. We thought we'd get the Mavic DJI Air 2 out and go try out all its quickshot functions in video mode. So, one thing I will say before I show the videos of the results I got. If you're trying this for the first time, the quick shot modes that the Air 2 provides, make sure you've got plenty of space around the subject you're filming. You need a lot of vertical height and you need a lot of horizontal distance. You don't want there is one that you can use in a bit less space, but I'll get into that when we come to that video. But yeah, you need a lot of space. I mean, that's why I went and tried this out on an old tree in the middle of a big ass field, because I knew some of these quick shot video modes take up a lot of space. So guys, let's go see what they do. Okay, so this one is Boomerang, and what Boomerang does, it will just do like the same as Circle, but it will increase its distance away from your targeted object, and then by the time it's finished its circle, it will get closer again. It does need a lot of horizontal space and a lot of height. This is one of the ones you don't want to be using with any obstructions whatsoever. But yeah, this is Boomerang. This is your basic circle. So this one will, once you've tapped to track the object, it will literally just circle the object at the same height, same distance away from it, and just do a complete circle, and that's circle. Okay, so this one is supposed to be called hexagon. Uh, I don't know if I was doing it wrong, but it didn't seem to do much different to circle, to be honest. Maybe I was doing something wrong. But yeah, apparently that's hexagon. Okay, so remember I said one you could do in less space? Well, this is rocket. I didn't go directly above the object, but you can go and just, it acts like a rocket to the cool ending.